Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. When evaluating a PC case, two of the most important metrics are airflow efficiency and noise containment. The NZXT H7 Flow excels in the first category, as its name suggests, but it's far more than just an airflow-focused case. Its perforated panels are visually striking and give the chassis a premium feel, while the overall fit and finish reflect NZXT's high-quality standards. The H7 Flow comes equipped with 3 effective intake fans right out of the box, helping maintain excellent thermal performance without pushing the price beyond a reasonable $129.99 MSRP. In our tests, the case consistently delivered strong cooling results, earning top marks for airflow management. For builders seeking a classic mid-tower in 2024, this refreshed H7 Flow is an excellent value. Cable routing is straightforward, and the spacious interior makes hiding cables simple, allowing for a clean and professional-looking build with minimal effort. The case is also highly compatible with liquid cooling setups, accommodating large radiators, or even dual radiator configurations, without compromising space. Key specifications include support for ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, 2 external 5.25-inch bays, 2 internal 3.5-inch bays, and 2 internal 2.5-inch bays. Front panel connectivity features USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, X2, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, and HD audio. The case supports up to 410mm GPU length, 185mm CPU cooler height, and 270mm PSU length. Other features include tempered glass side panels, 7 PCI expansion slots, 3 pre-installed 120 to 200mm fans, and a bottom-mounted ATX power supply. The H7 Flow measures 21.4 by 9.6 by 18.75 inches and weighs 24.3 pounds, offering a perfect balance of style, functionality, and airflow performance. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. What if a PC case could be a DIY project in its own right, even before you add any components? That's the idea behind the clever Qube 500, a compact chassis designed to let builders assemble their system almost like an IKEA project. Its playful and attractive design comes in multiple colors, giving your setup personality right out of the box. Despite its fun aesthetic, the Qube 500 is surprisingly sturdy and versatile, capable of hosting full ATX motherboards and standard-size power supplies, making it a practical choice for a wide range of builds. Beyond its solid functionality, the Qube 500 offers excellent value and an enjoyable assembly experience, especially for DIY enthusiasts or families wanting a shared project. The case's modular design includes swappable face panels, so you can refresh its look whenever inspiration strikes, keeping your system feeling new and personalized. Once built, it provides a reliable, functional chassis that doesn't compromise on style or performance. Key specifications include support for ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, for internal 3.5-inch bays, 3 internal 2.5-inch bays, and no external 5.25-inch bays. Front panel connectivity features USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, X2, and HD audio. The case includes tempered glass side panels, 7 PCI expansion slots, and 1 pre-installed fan supporting 120 to 200mm options. Maximum component dimensions are 368mm GPU length, 175mm CPU cooler height, and 215mm PSU length, with the power supply mounted at the bottom. The Qube 500 measures 16.4 by 9.1 by 16.0 inches, weighs 17 pounds, and combines creativity, practicality, and fun, making it a standout choice for compact, customizable PC builds. Number 3. InWin A3. The phrase punching above your weight class usually describes someone performing beyond expectations, but it applies perfectly to the InWin A3 PC case. While technically a micro ATX chassis, the A3 is slightly larger than most cases in this category, and that extra space delivers significant benefits. With InWin's distinctive styling and clean, attractive design, the A3 stands out as a top choice for compact PC enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on performance or aesthetics. Micro ATX motherboards are often overlooked in the high-end PC world, yet they offer some of the best value and versatility. The A3 makes the most of this tweener size, allowing builders to enjoy a compact footprint without sacrificing cooling potential or expandability. Performance-minded builders and upgraders who need space-conscious solutions will find the A3 especially appealing, as it provides excellent thermal management for its size and supports a wide variety of components. Key specifications include support for micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, 2 internal 3.5-inch bays, 3 internal 2.5-inch bays, and no external 5.25-inch bays. Front panel connectivity features USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, X2, and HD audio. The case has tempered glass side panels, 4 PCI expansion slots, and 5 positions for 120 to 140 mm fans, with one 120 to 200 mm fan pre-installed. Maximum component sizes include 340 mm GPU length, 162 mm CPU cooler height, and 200 mm PSU length, with the power supply mounted on top. The chassis measures 13.63 by 8.47 by 15.75 inches, weighs 11.6 pounds, and even includes addressable RGB fan lighting. The InWin A3 is a compact, stylish, and high-performing case that punches far above its weight, perfect for builders seeking efficiency without compromise. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. If you're looking to save cash without skimping on features, the View 270 ARGB is a standout option. This budget-friendly ATX case delivers many higher-end touches typically reserved for pricier models, all for under $100. Highlights include USB Type-C front panel support, wraparound tempered glass, 3 included ARGB fans, and dust filters at every fan location. These features earned the View 270 RG our Editor's Choice Award for exceptional value. And yes, the green color of our test unit really pops, hard to find a comparable shade from other manufacturers. For those who prefer alternatives, it's also available in white and a striking hydrangea blue. Nicknamed the Green Giant, the View 270 RG is an ideal pick for gaming system builders seeking a compact yet spacious case that maximizes performance while leaving room in the budget for other components. Its playful design and premium feel make it look and act like a case costing much more than its price. The case supports ATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, with 2 internal 3.5-inch bays and 2 internal 2.5-inch bays. Front panel ports include USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A, X2, and HD audio. It features tempered glass side panels, 7 PCI expansion slots, 6 positions for 120 to 140 mm fans, and 3 pre-installed 120 to 200 mm fans with addressable RGB lighting. Maximum component sizes are 428 mm GPU length, 180 mm CPU cooler height, and 280 mm PSU length, with the power supply mounted at the bottom. Measuring 18.02 by 9.07 by 17.9 inches and weighing 14 pounds, the View 270 RG combines style, functionality, and affordability, making it a top choice for budget-conscious builders who don't want to compromise. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX is the result of a design collaboration with DAN Cases, a respected German maker of compact chassis, and it's packed with thoughtful details that will surprise both longtime fans and new builders. While it's slightly larger than a typical compact micro ATX case, it strikes a perfect balance between size and functionality, offering plenty of room for components without taking over your desk. Its build quality and feature set make it an excellent value, earning it an Editor's Choice Award for 2024. The DAN A3 feels like a Goldilocks case, just the right size for most micro ATX builds. This chassis is ideal for general-purpose builds rather than massive liquid-cooled rigs or ultra-large GPUs. Builders will likely pair it with Lian Li's solid side panel, as the case lacks advanced cable management features, making this more of a substance over style choice. Still, it remains one of the best micro ATX options in its price range. Lian Li and Dan have delivered a thoughtful, budget-conscious design that emphasizes practicality and durability. Key specifications include support for micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, 1 internal 3.5-inch bay, and 3 internal 2.5-inch bays. Front panel connectivity features USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A, X2, and HD audio. The case supports up to 4 120 to 140 mm fan positions and comes with RGB fan lighting. Maximum component sizes are 425 mm GPU length, 165 mm CPU cooler height, and 270 mm PSU length, with support for ATX, SFX, and SFXL power supplies mounted at the front. Measuring 12.66 by 7.64 by 17.8 inches and weighing 10.8 pounds, the DAN A3-mATX delivers a solid, versatile, and well-priced micro ATX experience for builders who value practicality over flash.